wild alligators. Baited hooks and lines are suspended above the water by some type of structure. In some cases, hunters will use poles, branches, or trees to suspend baits, as well as provide for a stationary object for securing the end of the line. The most common used baits are chicken quarters and beef melt. Approximately 30 feet of line is tied off to the bottom of the structure, while the baited hook end is suspended about 1 to 2 feet above the water surface. Line must be a minimum of 300-pound test. The baited end is suspended in such a manner to allow for easy line removal by an alligator. Clothespins are sometimes used to hold lines to facilitate easy line removal. Excess line is rolled up near the base of the structure. Alligators, feeding primarily at night, will take the bait. Once alligator lines are set and baited, alligator hunters must inspect their hooks and lines and remove captured alligators daily.
As you can see, this line we set yesterday is down. It's pulling straight out. One of the first things you want to do when you're pulling the line up is to make sure not to get entangled into the line. Your feet and so forth needs to always be clear. Just kind of always understand that this alligator can just quickly take off and put a lot of tension onto the line. You just want to pull them up slow. The shot placement should be right behind the hard plate of the skull or straight behind the eyes. It's usually the two best places to harvest the alligator. We're going to go ahead and make the shot here to harvest the alligator.
Alligators should be dispatched immediately upon checking lines. No person shall release any alligator from any taking device for any purpose without first dispatching the alligator. Alligators shall not be cut loose from hooks and lines for the purpose of selecting larger alligators. All hooks and lines shall be removed when an alligator hunter's quota is reached. In the event an alligator is hooked after the hunter's quota has been reached, the hunter must release the alligator in the most humane method possible.